Right, so I was looking at these two components, the transistor and the variable resistor, because these are not standard shapes. They have 3 pins, and I've put on my key that this is how I'm going to represent the variable resistor, this is how I'm going to represent the transistor. And the variable resistor is more tricky to get put in place, so I'm going to put that in now. I'm going to say I'm going to connect it to there, and to there, and I'm going to draw a little arch up around it and a box underneath. So there's my variable resistor, and the reason I've put it in is because I need to put it either across the trough or I need to put it across the connectors here. My transistor I'm going to put in this way around as an arch like this, and I'm going to be connecting there, there and there. Can't put it in the other way around, otherwise I will have shorted out all of the legs. So, coming back to my diagram, I've got an LDR going between the switch rail and the top of the preset. So here's my preset. So LDR is going to go between this point and the switch rail, which is this point. And I've said I'm going to represent it using the circuit diagram symbol. So here we go, one circuit diagram symbol for an LDR. So I've connected that in, and I've connected that in. This one needs to be connected to the negative rail. At the minute I haven't done that, so I'm going to put a black wire from here straight down to the negative rail, which is here. So that is now that connection there. Negative rail, I'm going to put my cross here, and this is the wire going off to the negative on the battery. So that is now done. And I'm literally going round my diagram planning each connection. So I haven't done this resistor yet. It's got to go between the top of the preset and the base of the transistor. This base is English cricket board, so this one here is the base. So I'm going to be putting a resistor from this point to this point. I'm trying to keep everything in line. Here's my resistor symbol, and it's going across to there. So that's that in and that in. My emitter is connected to the negative rail, so that's coming from here straight down to the negative rail. So that's that one connected down to there. I've got a motor between the collector and the switch rail. So here, English cricket board, here's my collector, so I'm putting a connector there. And the symbol for a motor is a circle with an M in it, and that is going to go to my switch rail, which is there. So that's that connector and that connector. However, I've also got a diode going there. So that's going to come from, and this is where it starts getting messy. Where shall I take it from? I can take it from here, out, up, diode symbol, up, connector. Okay. What else have I got? It's my diode. I've done that one and that one. Have I connected them? Yes, they're all on the switch rail. So it just leaves me with my LED and my resistor. So from here, I've got a resistor coming down. I'm going to take it to there. And then I've got my LED, which I'm going to take from there. LED symbol down to the bottom. So I've done that one, that one, that one and that one. Right, all finished. What I've got to be aware of is that this might not be the perfect layout. I might edit it, tidy it up onto another document.